I'm from Columbus, Georgia. I'm attending the Drone Boss virtual seminar to learn how to start a drone business. So far, I have learned many things that I never knew before because, let's face it, I haven't really ever owned a business. I have done some things uh, on the side, making money, but never really a business. And that's what I came here to do, is to find out how to run a successful drone business. I'm very interested in the drone business. I have been for about a year and a half now. I just didn't know how to go about taking care of it, do it. But through this seminar, it's taught me quite a bit of things that I never knew before, such as hot button issues and platitudes. It caused me to realize that for years I've been listening to the same crap in commercials and never realized it was the same crap. Um, it's all generic, and they just put extra words in it to make it sound better. If I had a chance to go back in time and talk to myself uh, about this business, about this seminar, I would tell myself that this is probably the best opportunity that you could ever come across, especially for how much money it actually takes you to get involved in it. Um, I've dealt with other people and talked to other similar types of people that want to sell you something or help you start a business, and everything's just so expensive. Like driving a truck, I drive a truck for a living, and just to get started in a business, you got to buy a $250,000 truck. Uh, Unless you want to buy a piece of crap, and you can get one cheaper, but they're usually road hard and not in very good shape after someone else has been driving them for a few years. You can get them cheap, but you're going to work on them all the time. Whereas the drone business is relatively inexpensive unless you get involved with some bigger types of contracts that may come along in the future. But that's something you can build upon and work with. I believe that this business, this uh, drone command boss seminar, is something that can really help me out and anybody else out if they decide they want to get into it. Um, I would tell myself in the past that, hey man, go get you a drone, get your license. And I haven't got my license yet, but I'm working on that. Get you a drone, get your license, start it up, find out who this drone boss guy is. They're actually great people to listen to. The first day was almost 9 hours, and I never lost interest. Diego is very interesting to listen to, uh, and so is the drone boss. I really enjoyed the time being on there. In some ways, it's a little tiring because you sit in one spot for 9 hours watching a screen, but the benefits of listening and learning far exceed that. Um, I'm very glad to have found it. Uh, I hesitated at first, but then I decided, hey, this is my best opportunity to create wealth for me and my family. And I desire very much to do that. I would love to leave a legacy, as Diego says, a mini empire drone business that my family can take up and run after I'm dead and gone. Thank you for the opportunity to be here, and thank you for the opportunity to learn what I need to learn to do exactly what I'm trying to do, and that's start a drone business. Thank you very much, and can't wait to finish the seminar.